Hey guys, today I'll talk about gold only because the price of gold, the yellow metal, reached an important resistance zone, and the price action signaled pronounced or indicated exhausted buyers maybe. Okay, and I will talk about potential sell-off, potential correction, risk disclaimer here, and if you have questions you can send an email to support, guys. Okay, so let's take a look here on gold. Yeah, it has reached this key level. It has reached only false breakout, or actually it has invalidated its breakout above 1987. Right now it has dropped also below the uptrend line, and after this sell-off, yeah, it has found the temporary demand, and right now it has retested the key level, the historical level 1987, and it has failed to stay above the broken uptrend line in the last attempts, signaling maybe exhausted buyers. Let's take a look on the DXY, guys. First of all, yeah, earlier today, or actually in the before the London session, I talked about the DXY here after this amazing rally, a retreat, and I said that I will still look for US dollar longs, and I've said that the bias is bullish. Okay, after the US flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI, better than expected data reported yesterday. That's why we had this amazing rally, only a temporary retreat, a new rally. So the bias is still bullish in the short term here on the DXY, and the potential upside continuation and further growth could force the price of gold to drop, maybe to turn to the downside. Okay, but right now we need confirmation. I need confirmation because despite this breakdown, and even if the price of gold, the yellow metal, drop it below the uptrend line, we cannot talk about a corrective phase, a larger downside movement. But you can see here that we have this key level, we have a supply zone, false breakout, sell-off, retest, and in my opinion, if it makes maybe a new lower low here, if it takes out if the price of gold takes out the immediate demand zone, then it could open the door for a downside movement, for more declines. That's why right now I will keep an eye on gold, only because later we'll have the BOC press conference. As expected, the Bank of Canada decided to keep the overnight rate unchanged at 5.00% as expected. Yeah, the US new home sales better than expected, yeah, which could be bad for the price of gold in the short term, could help the price of gold to jump higher. But don't forget that the BOC press conference, the ECB President Lagarde remarks, and the Fed Chair Powell speaks could have a big impact on gold. Okay, so anything could happen, but I want to see here, actually, yeah, it has failed to stay above the uptrend line, and in my opinion maybe a new lower low could open the door for more declines, only because maybe this could represent only a temporary rebound, a flag pattern, okay, before really developing a sell off. And on the other hand, and on the contrary, taking out this historical level, making a new higher high could signal potential further growth, at least towards the R1, sorry, here 2016, or even higher. So this is my opinion about gold right now in the short term. I need confirmation. I'll wait for confirmation, but don't forget that the fundamentals could really shake the markets later. Risk disclaimer, don't forget to read it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to visit our website, or to follow us on Instagram, and don't forget to hit the link below this video if you want to join the VIP groups. Bye bye.